Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I'm currently in my boiler room, and I'm having a little issue. I have a boiler that supplies heat to my house with these pipes, but we have an additional apartment in the basement, and it uses baseboard heaters that controls the heat in my apartment. I'm gonna only vlog on days where you look busted. So this is a heater. So that is a base heater. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys the insides. Let me move this camera. And it's basically simple. This is the old one, right? So if you have a unit like this, you'll want to either take a picture of it or just label it. I have white to white. It doesn't really matter. It's a motor. It's AC current. So yeah, I'm just gonna follow it. Like I said, the white is going to white. This black is going to white, and everything else is already pre-wired. So sorry, this wire is not white. This is actually yellow. This wire is yellow. It looks white on camera, but yellow to white and black to white. These are wire nuts. If you're not an electrician, call somebody. No power. That's how you test them in Jamaica. Alright, this is gonna go to black. It's black going the it's white there. It's gonna go to black. I'll turn you guys back on. I'm wasting too much power. Wires are disconnected. This strain relief that this wire goes into, you're just gonna screw it out like this. It comes out and it goes in the other one. Just place it in like so. Remember, turn your power off, folks. Don't be like me. Don't be a Jamaican. Or a Jamaican. Niggas is getting electrocuted out of here, baby. Alright, move you guys back. I'm just connecting everything back together. Oopsie. Finally, I'm gonna have some heat. Oh shit, I should have left it rusted. Fucking shit in there. So we said white to yellow or some shit like that. Yellow to black. It's literally two wires, guys. Not that hard. Don't forget to put your wire nuts back on. And I don't know where the other one just went. Interesting. So I'm doing this on like 3 cameras. So I just installed the new circulator pump for the heater. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's not making any noise. That's the way it's supposed to be. Just gonna make sure I don't get electrocuted. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it is very quiet. And I could feel the breeze. Don't stick your finger in there. It will go missing. But it's so quiet. The other one was so loud. It works. I'm gonna install this baby in there and test out the heat. BRB. Alright guys, we are back. Ready to go. We have our new pump all wired up. I'm going to be installing it in this orientation. check with your boiler to see which direction of flow you want to install it in. It's always different. So my gaskets are in place, top and bottom. Flanges are on. I got my bolts. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Whittle. Snug everything up. Tighten up with a wrench. And that's basically it, folks. You should now have heat going into your apartment. That's about it. I'm gonna put a link to the description of this pump. It's the upgraded model from, where is it? My original pump is the Tyco 007-F5. I'm gonna list the upgraded model on Amazon because it's burnt out pretty quickly. It gave me about 2 years of service, but there's an upgraded version to this one on Amazon that's bronze instead of cast iron, I believe. And it's meant to be a little bit more tough than this one. Well, this is the tough one. This is the old one that wasn't good. So I'll leave the description to this upgraded version in Amazon.